In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable direct messages on Discord if you're getting too many pings or want a bit more privacy. This quick setting will stop people in shared servers from DMing you while keeping your existing chats and friends list intact. First, open Discord and head to your user settings. On desktop, that's the small gear icon near the bottom of the left sidebar next to your profile. On mobile, tap your profile picture to reach the same area. This is where all your personal preferences live, including privacy and messaging controls. Once you're in settings, look for the section called Content and Social in the left-hand menu. Discord occasionally reorganizes menus, but Content and Social is where messaging preferences are grouped in the current layout, so it's the right place for this change. Inside Content and Social, find the direct messages option and toggle it off. Turning this off prevents members of servers you're in from starting new DMs with you. A few helpful notes here. This does not delete your existing conversations, and friends you've already added can still message you. You can always return and toggle this back on at any time if you change your mind. After you turn the toggle off, Discord will show a prompt asking if you want to apply this change to all of your existing servers. Choose yes to make the setting consistent everywhere you already are. If you skip this, the change will typically apply to servers you join in the future, but your current servers may still allow DMs unless you adjust them individually. Speaking of individual servers, the prompt also reminds you that you can disable direct messages on a server-by-server basis. That's useful if you only want to block DMs in large public communities while keeping them open in a small private server. You can do that from a server's settings page later on without affecting your global preference. That's all you need to do. To recap, go to user settings, open Content and Social, switch off direct messages, and confirm that you want the change applied to your existing servers. From there, you're in control. If you ever want to allow DMs again, just revisit the same toggle and turn it back on. This setting won't mute mentions or alerts inside channels, and it won't remove your friends or past chats. It simply stops new direct messages from server members who aren't on your friends list. Thanks for watching and enjoy a quieter, more focused Discord experience.